Hey lovelies, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here, and today's video I'm going to be doing an unboxing of February's Ipsy icon box. So I'm just going to be showing you guys what all I got, tell you guys prices and all that good stuff. So to no further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. So as usual, I did go ahead and try out some of the makeup products on my face today before I film this. That way I can give you guys my first impressions. Alright, so I am going to go ahead and get the products that they picked for me out of the way first, and then I will show you guys what I customized. Alright, so first up from Biro, I believe is the brand, Biro New York. So this is their oat yogurt moisture barrier cream, and I will say this is in a nice heavy glass jar here. It's very, very fancy looking, and I should hope it looks fancy because the retail value on this is $106. I just can't imagine paying $106 every time I want to repurchase this. If you are someone that does that, no judging here. It's just, I don't know, I'm such a cheapo. I'm just like, I can't spend that much on a moisturizer. But maybe it's really good stuff, and maybe this will change my skincare routine. I don't know, probably not. Anyways, so $106 for that. Then I got something here from Flawless, I think. What are you? Yes, Flawless by Gabrielle Union. It's actually two products, which is interesting. But the retail value on this is $22, and I'm assuming it's $22 for the both of them because that's what it said. Alright, so let me open this up. I guess they packaged it in this bag, maybe in case it spilt, which is kind of nice. It is like an oil, I guess. It's in this glass bottle here. This is one of them. This is the Restoring Exotic Oil Treatment. Okay. That's interesting. I would definitely give that a try. And then the other product is a Smooth Blow Dry Cream. I don't really blow dry my hair, so I may give this to my sibling, one of my sisters, if they do that. I don't know. Controls frizz while defending against heat damage. Okay, cool. I've never heard of this brand before. Is that who is on the magazine? Let me look. Oh yeah, this is. So I'm assuming this is kind of like advertisement for her product. It's the lady on the magazine. So I guess she has a product out. So next up from Hourglass, this is their Ambient Soft Glow Foundation. They chose the shade 5 for me, and this retails for $58. And here it is in a nice glass bottle. So I tried this on my face today, and I don't know, I have mixed opinions. First off, I'm not sure the shade is an exact match. I really wish they would have let me pick the shade, but they chose for me. It just seems like it was a little more yellowy than I usually go for. I usually kind of have, I wouldn't say, I think I'm a neutral undertone. Anyways, but it works. It's on my face. That's what I'm wearing. The only other complaint I had is it definitely accentuated any dry areas that I already have on my face, which, I mean, is not uncommon for me. Some foundations, I don't know, I feel like when I get some of the more, there are different foundations out there that don't usually do that to me. They're kind of more of the hydrating foundations, so it's normally don't accentuate my dry areas. But I think it is a nice foundation. It went on really well. So I'll just have to up my skincare game, I guess, if I want to wear this. Because like I have like a little bit of dryness around my mouth right now. I don't know why. It's winter and my skin just, that's what it does. And then I had like a little dry area over here from like a pimple. It just kind of showed it. You guys probably can't see it because I'm not really zoomed in on my face, but I could see it. But anyways, other than that, it was a pretty nice foundation. It went on really well. Pretty pigmented. I wouldn't say it's like full coverage because I do have like a little pimple right there that I did try going over several times with the foundation. It just didn't really cover it up, but it is kind of like one of those pimples that just, it's there and there's really no hiding it. But other than that, I really liked it, and I was really excited to get to try this out, so happy with that. And then next up from Shades by Shan. This must be like a new brand because I've been seeing a lot of their products in boxes. But anyways, this is a brush set from them. And the retail value on this is $25. I didn't end up trying these out today just because I don't know if I'm going to keep them. I have a lot of brushes. And unfortunately, when they send a brush set, they're usually the same ones over and over again. So you get like a crease brush, a blending brush, a precision blend, and then I'm just reading on the back, a lid brush, which is usually like the flatter ones, and then a detailed blend. They're just your typical eyeshadow brush set, which, I mean, if you don't already have, you know, an eyeshadow brush set, it's great to get, but they just seem to send the same ones over and over again if we ever get some in the box. But, you know, they're definitely very interesting looking. So they're like white, and then at the bottom it's kind of like that ombre peachy. The one interesting thing is the ends of the brush are kind of like a very interesting point to them. And I don't really know if, I mean, I'm assuming that's intentional, like that this wasn't by accident, but I didn't know if there's a reason why they made that. But anyways, I just thought it was kind of interesting. Anyways, they all feel really nice and soft. Like, quality-wise, they feel pretty decent. It's just, I just have a lot of these same brushes over and over from other sets, so I just don't think I need another one, and I think my sister could get some use out of these, so I'm going to probably pass them on to her, so that's why I didn't use them today. Alright, so like I said, $25 for that, which is not, super expensive. I guess that's a fair price. I don't know. Alright, and then the last product that they chose for me is from Tarte, and this is their Sculpt Tape Contour cream thing. Sculpt Tape Contour, that's what it's called. And the retail value on this is $36. I have it in the shade Cool Bronze. So it comes just in a squeezy tube. And then it's one of those ones that you kind of push the product, like you have to squeeze it up to the top, and then you dot it on and then blend it out. So I used it. I don't know how I feel about it yet. I think I'm going to have to play around with it a bit more. So first off, it's very intimidating because it's a very dark color. It's basically the color of this box here. It's very dark brown. So it's very intimidating to see that when you put it on your face. You're like, oh my gosh. You know, what did I just do to myself? But I blended it out with my sponge, and sadly, I don't know. Like, I just feel like it's not a product I can use on its own, because, like, I put dots on and I blended it out, and I was like, can kind of see it, not really. And so I put a little more, and I'm just like, I just feel like I just blended away. Like, I feel like it doesn't stay there. I don't know. Maybe I need to use my fingertip instead. Maybe the sponge was just picking up too much of it, and it just wasn't staying there, because I felt like I just had to go in with my powder bronzer afterwards, because I just feel like I couldn't use this on its own. It doesn't show up like I wanted it to. So I'll keep playing around with it. Like I said, maybe I need to use my fingertip. Maybe I need to use a brush. I don't know. I've never used one of these products before, so I'll keep playing around with it. But anyways, $36 for that. Alright, so that's all the products they chose for me. So from here on out, these are the products that I customize. So first product that I customize is from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is the, what are you called? Novia? I don't think I said that right. Palette. This retails for $55. So I was really excited to see this as a product that I can customize, because I really like Anastasia Beverly Hills' palettes. I think they're really nice quality. So here's what it looks like. Pretty typical shades. Nothing too special, but I don't know. I liked it. I used it. I used this one as like my overall crease shade, and then I use this to like deepen up the creases in my lid, and then I use this shade over here as like the shimmer shade that I put on, And then I use this dark green as like the eyeliner. I kind of drew on a little bit of eyeliner, but not too much. Alright, and then the name of the palette, I butcher names, so you guys can just read that for yourself. That's the name of the palette. I mean, honestly, just from so far, this kind of made the box for me, because like I said, I really like Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes. Alright, and then next up, I chose a product here from Fenty Beauty. This is the Fenty Icon Velvet Liquid Lipstick, and I got it in the shade Sea Sweetheart. Sea Sweetheart. The packaging is super cute. I really like the little FB in the like lid there. There's the shade. You can kind of see it through the bottle, but I wasn't sure if it was showing real well. Anyways, that is what I have on my lips today. I did put a little bit of a lip gloss over it because I like the color a lot. I think the color is really pretty, but it is like one of those, I don't know. I have dry lips. They're not like super dry, but I guess I have a lot of lines in my lips. And when I just had this on alone, man, you just see every single line in my lip, and I just hate that look. But it was really comfortable, and it was super pigmented, so I do like that stuff about it. I just don't think I could wear it alone. I need to put a gloss or something over it, just to give it a little bit of glossiness or a little moisture. I did pick out something here from Buxom. Buxom? I think it's Buxom. Oh, did I say how much the lipstick is? The lipstick retails for $29. But like I said, I customized something from Buxom here, and this is their full-on plumping lip oil. It's in the shade White Russian. Now, I didn't actually use this as the gloss because I was concerned that it might mess up. Because it was a lip oil, I was concerned it might break down the lipstick. Because sometimes you can't mix those things, and I didn't see anywhere on the box that it said that you could put it on top of a product, especially because it's a plumping lip oil. I wasn't sure how that was going to react on top of the lipstick, so I didn't get to try this out, but here is the lip product. I'm not like a huge fan of plumping lip glosses. I really don't like the feeling, but I'll give it a go. This retails for $26. And then last but not least, my Beauty Boost item, which honestly I really wasn't impressed with the choices that I had this month for my Beauty Boost item. But I ended up choosing something from Ole Henriksen, I think is how you say that. And this is their Hydro Barrier Nourishing Face Oil. This retails for $58. Yeah, I was kind of bummed. It seemed like all the options for the Beauty Boost items was skincare. Like there wasn't a makeup product. And if there was a makeup product, it wasn't something that I liked. Anyways, it's in a nice glass bottle here. A little ASMR for you. Some people really don't like it when people do that. Alright, so that's everything in the box, and now I'm just going to go ahead and tally up the price so that you guys know the overall value. And then after that, I'll let you guys know my final thoughts on everything. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $415, which is pretty good considering what I paid for the box. So the price value is definitely there. Like, I feel like the value is way up there. Alright, so let me go through everything again. Alright, so I got this fancy moisturizer, which is $106, so that got the price up, you know, the value up real high, real quick. I got this hair duo, which I'm actually pretty curious to try out. I don't mind getting this at all. Like I said, I probably won't use this one just because I'm not a big blow dryer. Like, I don't blow dry my hair. I don't even know if I own a hair dryer. Yeah, I don't think I do. But I think it's an interesting product. I will definitely use the oil treatment because I have been trying to help my hair out as much as possible. Postpartum did a number on my hair. But anyway, so I will definitely give those a shot, at least one of them. I really am excited to see the Hourglass product in here. This was super exciting, like I said, and I hope they will be adding more Hourglass products. I've been wanting to try a foundation from them. Yeah, I was a little disappointed that I didn't get to pick out the shade just because, you know, I'd prefer that I'm given that choice because I feel like it's so hard for them to pick out everyone's shade because, yeah, we fill out those little profile things on on Ipsy, but I don't know how often they actually use those. Maybe they do. But having said that, it's not a bad shade for me. It's just not my exact shade. But I'm still really excited to see this in there, and I got to try it out, and I will definitely keep using it. The brush set is nice. I don't mind getting these every now and then, but like I said, the sets that they sent were always the same ones. But I'm not going to complain, you know, it is what it is. And that looks like a nice brush set. Alright, what's next? Oh, the bronzer. This one I have mixed opinions about. Like I said, I'm just going to have to play around with it and see if I can get it to work. My initial thoughts on it are that it didn't really do anything. It's an interesting product, but I didn't really see much of it on my face. And then, like I said, I felt like I had to go in with another bronzer on top of it. And maybe that's what you're supposed to do, but I feel like that kind of defeats the purpose if I have to go on top of it with another product. Anyways, but I am glad to have gotten to try this out. I like Tarte too, so that's always nice to see in the box. And then I have the Anastasia palette, which really made the box for me, so I feel like this is like my favorite product. And then also the foundation. These two like make the whole box for me, and everything else is like a bonus. So I was really excited to see that, and especially a palette that I don't own already. I like the Fenty lipstick. I believe this is Fenty Beauty, right? It seems like they've changed their packaging or their logo. Maybe this is what it always looked like. Anyways, I like this product. I think the shade is really pretty. Yeah, it's a little drying on the lips, or kind of accentuates my lips, but I don't mind putting a gloss over it. That doesn't bug me at all. I'm not really a matte kind of lipstick girl. I like having a little bit of that shine, but I think it is a really nice lipstick, and I'm excited to get some more use out of it. This is just kind of an okay item for me, the Buxom lip oil. I'm not a huge fan of, like I said, of the plumping effect. I don't want bigger lips, honestly. Like, I think my lips are fine. I don't want that Botox looking lips, but, you know, I'll use it. And then the last product is this face oil, which is really not that bad. I was a little disappointed at it being a beauty boost item, because I always get to customize my beauty boost items, and I wish there was more makeup options. But I've been wanting to try out face oils. They say that you can do like some massages on your faces to like help with your lymphatic drainage, I think is what it's called. Which I need to look into doing that. So I've been curious about trying that out, so this will definitely be used for that. Because you need an oil to keep your face nice and moisturized while you're massaging. But overall, when it comes down to it, I really think this box was worth it this month. Like I said, there's a lot of good stuff in here that I really liked. And yeah. So I'm pretty happy this month. But there you go, guys. That is going to do it for today. That is my unboxing of February's Ipsy icon box. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up, because that really does help on my channel. And also let me know down in the comments what you guys thought of my box this month. But other than that, I hope you guys have a wonderful day and a wonderful week. And I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!